G'day, it's Phil here, and welcome back to my channel. Today we got a mail call. I've had a couple of pieces of mail that have been sitting on my desk for nearly a week now since I picked them up, and it doesn't look like there's going to be any more mail coming in for a couple of days, so even though there's only a couple of pieces, I thought I'd open them up for you, show you what they are, and then show you just a little bit of what I've been buying heading or leading into the end of month Silver Stacker Challenge. So let's go ahead and have a look at the envelopes. One is just a normal everyday business envelope, quite nice, doesn't have a reply address on it. The other is a little padded bag, which I know comes from a Dale, and it does have his address on the back, so I'm not going to show that. But Dale Smith has definitely been on my comment section, so thank you very much. But we'll have a look into that. We'll just clear away these channel stickers from other people who've sent me stuff and channel stickers themselves, and we'll get into it. Alright, so let's put the padded mailer bag aside at the moment and grab out this envelope and grab my trusty rusty letter opener and go through it, have a look at what we've got. So we've got a bit of a card with what looks like is coins, a Christmas Bell Babies, and I'll have a quickly have a look like that. And so I've got a letter. It says, Phil, hello. I enjoy your YouTube coin hunts. Like to help you out with your coin searching. I like to add to your coin collection. By the time you get this, I bet you have found one in your hunt. Enjoy. And it's from Paul Evans. Thank you very much, Paul. You haven't left a return address, so that makes it very hard for me to send you a channel sticker for your troubles. But I always enjoy people sending me coins. Oh, and what have we got here? So we've got what looks like a couple of $1 coins. I'll take them out from underneath their little sticky tape prisons. That one looks like a 2020, and this one is also a 2020. So we'll have a quick look at that. It's the 2020 Jody Clark effigy. Oh, and we have a 100, a Qantas Centenary. That's a fantastic coin. And we have another one. So, 2 Qantas Centenary coins. Paul, very, very generous of you to send me Qantas Centenary coins. I know that by this time this comes out, I don't think it's in the book as yet, but I'm sure it'll come along in a hunt very shortly. Thank you very much, Paul. I am very grateful for you to send me coins. People love to send me mail, and I enjoy getting mail. You don't have to send me money or coins. Just happy to have people who are enjoying my channel. So I'll put that to the side with Paul's note and his card. Very nicely sent. Thank you very much. And then we'll get on to the padded mailer. And so this is from Dale. So I'll take that slightly out of camera to open up from the back. What have we got? A bit of a nice bit of cardboard there. Oh, and we've got a note. So, hi Phil, please accept these few coins as a gesture of my appreciation of the entertainment and knowledge you provide in your videos. Thank you very much, Dale. These are for you to keep or dispose of as you see fit. You have mentioned that they are elusive in your area. I hope they will do till you find ones for your own book. Keep up the good work. Regards, D.S. Dale Smith. Well, Dale, thank you very much. Some coins are very hard to find in my area. You're very, very right, and I do lament the fact that they are. So let's have a look if we can open her up without too much damage. There's a bit of paperwork and paper inside there. Very nicely packaged. They feel like they're in tissue paper, and they are. So we have an IATSIS 50-cent coin, which is a lovely coin, one I'm searching for at the moment. Oh, and look, my very, very first honeybee coin. Dale, you have done yourself proud. I thank you very much. I've not found any of these in circulation. And there's a Marbo, an Eddie Marbo. I have been finding a few of those lately, especially while the TCH challenge is on, and the Indigenous Languages, the International Year of Indigenous Languages. I definitely need that for the book. That's something that I've hardly ever find here in Melbourne. And another IATSIS coin. Thank you very much. And there's a couple other things in the paper here. Another Indigenous Languages coin, Year of Indigenous Language. Thank you. Another Marbo. Oh, two of everything. And we have the Indigenous Military Services $2 coin. That is a fantastic coin. A lovely coin. Still see the black handprint on there, which sometimes rubs off, but that's a very nice coin. I think there's one more possibly. Let's see if we can get down to the bottom. There's two more. So the paper has kept them from tapping against each other, the tissue paper. So very, very well wrapped. There is two more coins here at the bottom. If you can see me getting them out. What have we got? Another Indigenous Military Service and what looks like another Indigenous Military Service. So fantastic. Dale, I'm blown away by the amount of coins that you have sent to me, especially newer coins. The honeybee coin is a fantastic specimen, and as I say, the very, very first one I have received of one of those, and these will always be pride of place in my collection. These newer coins are fantastic to find. Dale, thank you very much. You will get something in the mail to thank you for that, but I really can't thank you enough, honestly. Dale, thank you very much for your very generous gift. It's fantastic to have great support from all my viewers, and I hope that people do learn something from what I talk about when I talk about the coins as I hunt through them. So that's it for the mail. Very, very generous from everyone. Paul Evans and Dale Smith, thank you so much. I'm just going to clear this away a little bit, and then I'm just going to go through some of the coins that I've been buying this month to go towards my silver stacking challenge total. So I was at the local coin shop when I found something of great note. So I picked up a new $1 silver proof coin, one from Parliament House, 10 years on. And this was particularly special because this $1 silver coin is a 1 whole troy ounce. There's the specifications of that, and that is, in my mind, pretty special in relation to $1 coins. So this is a $1 coin issued by the Royal Australian Mint in 1998, which is a reissue of the $5 coin that was issued when the old Parliament House opened in 1988, so a 10-year anniversary. Parliament House 10 years on, but it's a $1 silver proof coin and it's 1 troy ounce, which I couldn't go past. Usually the $1 coins, when they are in the same configuration as normal $1, the size of the coins that Paul gave me, when they're in that size, they're only 11 grams. When they come out silver, exactly the same size as a normal $1 coin, they're only 11 grams. So to get a 1 whole troy ounce, which is 31 or so grams, and particularly at the price I got, it's really, really nice. I couldn't go past it. I could not go past that. The other one that I saw was for relatively cheap was another 1 troy ounce of the Australian Kookaburra from the Perth Mint. So that was relatively, again, a $1 coin issued by the Perth Mint, and you see the specifications there, the 31.635 grams, which is 1 troy ounce. Large coin for silver stacking. It comes in a card that probably will put aside so it doesn't get too much more bent, but that was also another 1 ounce purchase, and again, very relatively cheap in buying. And the other one I picked up was, and I think this one's around about $30. This was or is a Downies 2017 Kangaroo 2017 1 ounce 909 silver. Again, from the Perth Mint, but $1 denomination, but a full troy ounce of silver. So I couldn't go past that. All those 3 1-ounce coins going towards my silver stacking challenge. And I'll show you again another couple of rounds that I bought. These are older 2012 Christmas rounds. There they go into focus there. And again, 1 troy ounce 999 fine silver. These coins I know came from America. So I'm very happy to be able to get a decent amount of silver for this month's silver stacking. But that's all I really wanted to show you for today's mail. I didn't want to spend too much time, but again, let me clear this off. Thank you to Dale Smith and Paul Evans for sending through some mail to me. I really appreciate everything you guys sent to me. It's very funny that all the coins that I ever get, they're always very topical about the coins that I'm trying to find, particularly at this point in time. So thank you very much. It's much appreciated. But otherwise, I'll be back tomorrow for more noodling. So I will see you then. Thanks and bye.